share the overarching mission and vision of Sreenidhi Ascend and how does it align with the broader goals of institution?
We have created our own Section 8 company named Sreenidhi Ascend.
Can you share few successful student-led startups or entrepreneurial projects that have emerged from programs by Sreenidhi Ascend?
At few of our startups like Magneti, the EVM is a Newgen Solutions, is the Maverick Medicare, and is the Tozo Talks. Yes. Tozo Talks, it's like an animation company. It's all because of design thinking. Because every time when you get a 5-star rating, then you have more pressure to prove yourself. Yes. See, if someone is not stopping you what you want to do, that matters a lot. Definitely. So that is available, that is happening in Sreenidhi.
You describe the incubation services and support services provided by Sreenidhi Ascend for student entrepreneurs.
Say that we are always open to help our student. For that only we are available. The mentors are from all over India and they are supporting our incubation center. Like Kickstart program with G-Hub, where we are taking our students, they are going 1 year of training program so that we can at least able to filter the students, those who want to go with entrepreneurship. They will get training like entrepreneurs. An acceleration program, it's like how they can launch themselves into the market.
Even the student is getting passed out from Sreenidhi, you're supporting, it's like Shark Tank.
It's a sort of Shark Tank, yeah.
Yes, ma'am, do you believe that there are some specific skills to be successful in the field of innovation?
It's all about customer-centric solution. Everyone should learn from their failure. Entrepreneurship, it's all about mindset. Innovation is all about culture. We are creating a culture of innovation.
Like an ecosystem?
Yeah.
Ma'am, how do you envision the role of innovation in the context of higher education?
Maximum of successful startup founders are the engineers.
How has technology, including emerging technologies, influenced the landscape of innovation? What are the challenges that every individual or organization may face when they are trying to innovate, and how these challenges can be overcome?
We got funded for mentor-mentee program. It's another initiative of Ministry of Education.
Ma'am, are there any plans to expand the impact of innovation and entrepreneurship at SNST through Ascend?
So pre-incubation program is exclusively for our student only.
Okay. Ma'am, how important is collaboration both within the teams and across the disciplines to drive the innovation forward?
Diversity will give you different culture.
Yes.
Observation plus mindset plus culture will make you a successful entrepreneur.